JIGSAWS REVENGE. So this is a game that was inspired by The Trials, and today we are going to be doing part 1. So Saw Plays, made by Royal Studios, or whatever. So this is a game inspired by all the Saw movies, and here we go. Three, two, one. Ah! Oh god, that's loud. Greetings and welcome. I want to play a game. If you lose, you will spend the rest of your life in this room. If you want to win, you will have to find a key and escape before the time runs out. You will have 60 seconds. There are only 5 keys for 5 doors. Let the games begin. Or let the game begin. Dude, this is like so intense. So sorry this is going like extremely fast paced. It's just like, oh, I can't keep that. Sorry about like the fast paced video. It's just like, so this is a game inspired by The Trials. I did this first because sort of wanted to. Are these my new braces? Okay, 15 more seconds. We still got all the people. 3, 2, 1. The device which is locked on your head is connected to your upper and lower jaw. When you run out of time, it will open wide, destroying your jaw in the process. You have 60 seconds to get the key and free yourself from the device. You will also have to escape through one of the doors outside your room. Your time starts now. Click the red circles. This is just so intense. Hold on. Okay, so I'm just doing what the game's telling me. Click. I know I have to click a lot. Openly, gladly. Looks like we got all the peeps. Is out. So, to be honest, this is called JIGSAWS REVENGE. It is the full name of The Trials. In front of each of you is a loaded shotgun. Soon the cube at the top of the cylinder will change its color. Once it does, you will have 10 seconds to press the button, which is colored the same as the cube. Be the fourth to press the correct button and the shotgun facing you will shoot. That's actually terrifying. If you fail to press the correct button in time, the shotgun facing you will shoot. Are you quick enough to stay alive? Red. Dude, I was just like so fast. I was just like, boom. Who will live? Who will die? Woo. That was so loud. Okay, so moving on to the next mini game. 3 dummies, 1 for each of you. The dummy in front of you represents your life. If it dies, you die. Soon the saws will start heading towards the dummies direction and will reach their target in 90 seconds. Save your dummy by unlocking all of the locks on it. The keys for the locks are at the end of the room. Once you unlock all of the locks on this, when the celebration, your dummy will deactivate. And the case behind the dummy will open. It has the key for your freedom. Hurry there. Only 2 of you can escape this room. Your time starts now. Go! So basically this is a good time to tell you what's going on. I decided to play this soft fan game called JIGSAWS REVENGE. So far, it's a really good game so far. I know it's like extremely fast paced now, but it sort of gets less fast paced in the moment. So, got another key. I'm on the last. Let me click. Yes. Dude, like, the saw noise in game is so loud. Got the key. Well, that guy's dead. So you know what? Commit good. Now 2, 1. Congratulations to you both for making it this far. Unfortunately for Darren, only 1 of you can survive my game. Great! Thumbs up. Next to you are black and white leather. You will be constantly tasked with pulling one of the levers. React faster than your opponent by pulling the correct lever, and the saw will retreat slightly. The game ends with the demise of one of yourselves. Live or die, make your choice. To the right lever. To the right lever. To the back. To the back. To the right. Oop. To the back. Dude, so much stress. No. Oh, I won. GG. Congratulations. You are still alive. Most people are so ungrateful to be alive. But not you. Not anymore. Well. Okay, so everyone, that is JIGSAWS REVENGE Part 1. So, there's already Part 2. I'm gonna make another video during that. Also, there's gonna be a Part 3 coming out soon. I don't know yet. I don't know when. I don't know what time. But I just really hope this game gets a lot of visits. It's extremely good, and that's about it for JIGSAWS REVENGE. Goodbye.